Welcome back to Treasure Timbers. I've had an unusual special request. It's for someone's birthday, and I think it'll be quite a cool surprise. The request is for a naughty driftwood paddle, for paddling someone's hiney, affectionately of course. There has to be mutual consent or it's classified as beating, okay? So I went on a foraging trip to Treasure Beach and came back with 3 possibilities. One thing I'll say up front is I want to make it with a built-in second purpose, so it's not only going to be a paddle, but a shooter tray as well. Talk about a party animal. Don't you now just want one? Talk to me, that can be arranged. What I picture in my mind is something as smooth as silk on one side and as rough as I found it on the other. I want to show off the driftwood. I'll give the 3 options a quick sand on one side and then I'll assess. There are a few nails, so they've got to go. Nails will not be required, not in this particular case. This one has been eliminated. Its grain is too plain. I want it to pop. Let's look at the other 2 more closely. A dash of water will reveal all. Yes, they're both pretty spectacular. For now, I'll just carry on. What I want to do now is consider how to arrange the holes for the shot glasses and mark the spots for drilling. We're not making a cricket bat yet, so both of them need to be much lighter. I also want to think about the handles. This one has a natural section which I can exploit, and this one is just simpler, and the handle can really only go here. I'll sketch out a rough handle on each one. This one also needs to be trimmed. So, what to do next? Do I trim and carve handles or drill out the holes? I think trimming first makes the most sense. Let's get on it. This is a Moxon vise. It's very strong. It grips a driftwood plank quite firmly, or safely I should say. If you want to see how to make one, please comment. It makes it really easy to carve out the shape of the handles. One, 2, done. Now for the drilling. Well, that was an amateur error. I was too close to the end and it broke. Such a pity. Now we're down to just 1. I'll continue. It's looking good if I say so myself. Now the holes need to be sanded. There, the front and the back. It's getting there. Now for the final shape. All it needs now is some oil. I'm going to use something I don't think very many people know about. It's called liquid paraffin. You can use it on cutting boards because it's a food-grade mineral oil. You can buy it at a chemist or pharmacy. It's colorless and odorless, and it'll make the wood pop. Let me let you in on a little secret. This paddle's destined to go to Afrikaburn. So, if you go to Afrikaburn in South Africa in 2025, then look out for this paddle. It shouldn't be too hard to find. It'll be hidden in plain sight. Please comment if you do come in contact with it, or should I say, if it comes in contact with you. What can I say? It looks and feels great. Not sure what it'll be like on the receiving end. Maybe it needs some testing. Darling!